People love lights, they love fireworks, people love motion, and we give that perception. We create something that floats in the sky and that, blows people's minds.
Today we're in Las Vegas at the Electric Daisy Carnival, and we're about to fly a live drone show of 600 drones.
We're here to create some magic in the sky and actually for the first time do that at a super large festival.
It's one of the biggest events in the world, and we wanted to bring one of the biggest shows in the world to that event.
We have flown drone shows in the most challenging environment, from the crowded city centers to the hot deserts and on remote islands.
Working with drone stories is really easy because we have the same mindset, want to take this further than what everybody else is doing. We figured that we needed to do something special for our 25th anniversary, and we came up with a drone show and a design where we step back a little in time and show a couple of the old stages in the air.
Most of the shows you'll see, it's all 2D, but here you're going to create a full 3D immersive experience. Everything is timed to the minute. There's no room for error.
It's all about timing. Everything's got to be like right to the second, not to mention that we're synced with the event and we're synced with music, and there's just so many moving parts. We are at maximum focus, flying in front of 150,000 people, making sure that it's absolutely perfect. We've got time code coming in. 3, 2, 1.
The whole build-up, people have worked weeks and weeks in a row to make this happen. And then when the drones land and the silence, it's the best moment.